In this video, you will learn how to find thousands of Shopify stores and scrape the products from their shops in just a few minutes. So if you are selling an app, marketing services, or if you just want to spy on your competitors to dominate your niche, this is the perfect video for you. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm now here on Datablist.com, which is an AI platform to automate data sourcing, enrichment, and cleaning workflows. And I want to use it today to find and scrape all these Shopify stores. So first what I'm going to do is to click here on Open Datablist, and then it takes me into this home view where I click here on Create New Collection. Then I give here my collection a name. And now I want to click here on Find Companies by Technology, and this takes me here into this search engine, which allows me to filter by technologies, website filters, country, and more. So we will now use this search engine together so that you know how to use it. First, I'm going to here on technologies and choose Shopify. They have over 500,000 Shopify websites indexed, which is a lot. So, and now what you could also do is to select here a second technology like Klaviyo, for example, and then choose here the technology operator. So maybe you want websites that use either Shopify or Klaviyo, or you want websites that use both Shopify and Klaviyo. So I will just leave this open because it's about Shopify stores in this video. Maybe you can cover this in another video. And then you want here to specify some website filters. So this is about keywords that are present on the homepage, so on the main page of the stores, not on product pages or product specification pages or help center pages, because this will not match. So you want only the keywords that are present on the main pages. For example, not here. We go here and then type jewelry. And then we go down here and select a country. Let's take United States and Germany. And the languages should be in German and English, and that's it. And then you want also to define some company industries. I will just leave the industries open because it's pretty obvious that they are in retail if they use Shopify. So now you could also use here the company size filters. I'll just select here some small Shopify stores, and then you can here also exclude previous searches. So if you have done some searches with Datablist in the past, you could then exclude them here. I will not exclude them. And then you can also define here a limit. I will define a limit of 1,000, and this slice rule is basically if you have too many results for your search. For example, I have a limit of 1,000 and there are 3,000 available companies. Which ones I want to have? So I will just tell it, give me the ones with the highest traffic, and then click here on continue. And now what I'm going to get is the technology version, so the date when it was last verified, the traffic rank, the root path, the website URL, the company name, and much more. And then I just go here and click on Run Import Now, and this will create a task. A search task in Datablist takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes. It depends on the scale of the search you have done. So I will just now click on pause, and once it's finished, I will be back. Okay guys, so the search just finished running and we got a lot of data, as you can see. So we got first here, the first column tells us which technology they are using. Here is it is Shopify because we search for Shopify websites, obviously. And we got also the date when it was last verified that this website is using Shopify. Then we got traffic rank, the wood part. I don't actually know what this means, but it's useful data, I guess. So we got also the company name, infrared company name, the meta title, meta description, if the website is responsive or not. So if you need to find web design clients, this is probably your best chance. So just target websites that are not responsive. And then we got a lot of other data. So yeah, got phone numbers, email addresses, unverified email addresses, WhatsApp numbers, and so on. But now let's switch to how to scrape the actual products from this website. So to do this, we have to click here on this sidebar and then create a new collection and then give the collection also a name. Let's say products, and then choose here the AI agent one on collection items. And then you want to choose here the e-commerce product scraper template. And this will give you a pre-configured prompt that goes on the Shopify store and scrapes product name, product link, original price, sales price, the image URL, the product category, the product description, and the availability of the product. So, and what you want to do, because this is not automatically done, you want to click here on slash or type slash and then type website and choose here this variable. And you want also to map this to your collection where your Shopify websites are located. So you want to map this to the first location. So let me do this from scratch. So actually first what you do is to choose here the collection, and then you choose here the template, and then you go here and type slash website. And now you will get the product name, the product link, the original price, the sales price. So if the product is discounted, now we have Black Friday, they all have discounts, so this might be useful data for you. And then you get the product category, the product description, the image URL, and the availability of the product. And about these settings, just leave them as they are and click here on continue. Click here on run import now, and this will now create a second task. I will leave this also running, and then once it's finished, I will be back with the results. Okay guys, so we just finished the scraping task, and as you can see here, we got a lot of products. I even stopped it a bit before because we had about 500 sites, and to scrape all the products from these sites, it would take too long, so I really didn't want to wait. Anyway, so let's just look here at some of these products. So we got here some cheap jewelry products, some mid-priced, some, expensive jewelry products. So we can go here on this website and see US Robot Coin, Roberto Coin, and this jewelry website. As you can see, here is necklace, earring. That's it, guys. I mean, if you want to try this tool out yourself, just go on datablist.com, then use first the technology finder and second the AI agent one on collection items, and just follow the part I just showed you. So it's a two-step workflow. First you find the Shopify websites and then you scrape their products. So it's pretty simple. You have the templates, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching so far, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.